This right here is the most important thing you shouldn't do when styling bridal hair. This right here. So hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Victoria, and today we are doing a tutorial on how to style the simplest bun. So this bun was achieved in less than 10 minutes. So here is me prepping the hair. So yes, just I hope you really enjoy it, and I hope it's understandable for you. So I have applied my leave-in conditioner, and here is me holding the hair, tying it with a rubber band. So you need to grip it tight. You need the hair to be firm. Even if the wig is big for your client or your bride, this here can help you correct so many things. So yes, make sure your pony or whatever it is you want to call it, make sure it is firm. Make sure it is very firm. Yes, and you want to do that. You want to pull it to make it firm, to make it more firm. That's the main idea. So yes, when you get that done, this is me using Shine and Jam. This is an holy grail. So yes, I put just a little amount of this Shine and Jam, and I use the tip of my comb to just follow it to lay down any flyaway hairs, any hair, just to make my bun sleek, to give it that sleek look. So here I am just putting down any flyaways. Here you can use your spray, your working spray, or your hard spray. You can do that. You can, but I prefer to use my Shine and Jam. It gives it that shine, it gives it that lusciousness. Yes, can you see it? Can you see that? Yes, so just do that. So the next thing we'll be doing is combing the pony, removing any tangles whatsoever. Just make sure the hair is tangle free. Comb it, comb it, comb it. And here I will be getting my hair padding. Here I'll be taking the hair up to fix my hair padding. So you want to put the hair out of the way and clip it down, and I'll take the hair padding. That's what we want to use to achieve our bun. So there are several types of bun, so this is one type of bun, and it's really simple to achieve. It's really simple. Just make sure you watch the video down to the end. You understand why I say it's so simple to do. So yeah, secure the bun and just allow it to have that shape, that bun shape that you desire, that flat bun shape. Yes. So now you want to take your long bobby pin. You tell your client, your bride, to put her head down just for that single moment. The makeup artist can hold on for that period. Just take an excuse, let her hold on for that period and secure your bun. This is also important. Securing your bun is very crucial because your bride will be dancing, your bride will be shaking her head, and people will be hugging her. When she's trying to enter the car, the bun could hit something, or so people could, trying to hug her and congratulate her on a big day. People can be touching that side of the hair, so you want this place to be secure also. You need to secure it. So this is me using like the third pin or the fourth pin. Just secure it. Secure it in like 6 places to be secured. I've said 4, but for a beginner you need to secure it in 6 places. When you get used to doing it, you would know where to secure it and use just 4 pins. But for a beginner, use 6 pins in 6 different angles. You see, I used one up, I used one in the middle, yes, where my hand is. So yes, you see, I pulled it, it's secure like that, it's secure. So now to styling the hair, you pull the hair down and make sure it's covering your bun. Make sure it's covering your bun. Make sure your bun is not visible at all. Make sure it's covering your bun. Yes, you pull it down, you comb it to give it that smooth look, that sleek look. Comb your hair down, and yes, this is where your spray comes in, your walking spray. Yeah, just spray it and comb down, comb where you've sprayed. So this controls the flyaways also. So we're using the spray here because here we are doing this. I was going to say why we're using the spray. We're using the spray because we have so many flyaways here. This is the tip of the wig, and you can tell, we have, it's not, the tip of your wig is not all the same length, so you have flyaways here and there. That's why we used the spray. The spray will control it more. So here we've achieved the bun. You see the way I used the rubber band to achieve the bun. You see how simple it is. Yes, so yeah, you want to do that. You want to pack the remaining hair to one side. Okay, can you see that? You put it to one side and comb it. You comb the hair, yes, you're slicking down when you every flyaway. Comb the hair and twist it up and let it go up. It's going up to cover that rubber band. Yes, can you see that band is no more visible? That's the main idea of that hair going up. So you use the tail of your rat tail comb, and now you use your spray for that place to be sleek. You know the hair is not equal, and yeah, you use the rat tail comb. Yes, follow it, go in. Don't get tired of slicking down the hair, of getting rid of flyaways. That's the main reason of bridal hairstyling, and that's the reason you're using your product. So now the pin I took the other time would be used to secure that hair we took up. Yes, so it doesn't come out. Yes, so we've secured it there, right there. So yes, now I'm just trying to get the shape of that. So now we're going over with our spray and the tail of our comb, following. You see that's the magic it does. That rat tail, the tail of the comb, it does magic. Just go over it. Yes, it will slick it down, slick every hair down. So just don't get tired. I know you're standing. Just go over, use your pin anywhere that wants to look bumpy. Use your pins. That's where your pins come in place. Use your pin, secure, press, yes, to get that shape. Secure it with your pins. Yes, I think I cited one more place that needs to be secured. Yes, right there. Yes, and I see one mistake I made here. I did not see the tip of that bobby pin had removed, so it was just a sharp edge. So you don't want to use that. So get the bobby pin that both ends have that coating, have that protection there. So yes, it will slide in easy. Can you see? Yes. So yes, that's the end of this tutorial. As you can see, you go over and adjust and adjust and adjust. Just keep going over. Go to the front, see it. Go to the back, see it. Can you see? See how beautiful our bun is. And here is it. Your bride is ready to walk down the aisle. Thank you for watching.